Rain is going to be taking over later tonight, 3, 4 o'clock. We get the first showers. They stick with us through the day tomorrow, and they really pick up in intensity once we get into tomorrow afternoon. So you're going to see this rain overspreading the area. By lunchtime, I think it's going to be light at this point. Then you're going to get these waves of heavier rain, which is indicated by the oranges and yellows moving through. And then the cold front portion of this system cuts through early Wednesday morning. So Wednesday is going to be one of those falling temperature type days. So the earliest part of the day is the warmest part, and then the temperatures are going to fall from there. So a weird Wednesday shaping up, but we should be drier. Now, when it comes to rainfall amounts, a ½ inch to an inch, not out of the question with this system coming in. Now, the concern of this is that there's still a lot of moisture left in the ground from last week's rain. So we're near saturation. There is some capacity in the ground to hold on to some moisture, but if that overfills, the water turns into runoff, and that's where you get the flooding. So that's one of the concerns we have, is that we could have some isolated flooding, but also landslides with the freeze and thaw and then a lot of rain on top of it. That is sort of a recipe for landslides, and one of the things we'll be looking to monitor very, very closely for tomorrow. Now, later on this week, we have a couple other days that are concerning to us, and that's Thursday and Friday, because we have this system that's going to come in. It's going to start off as snow, change to freezing rain, change to rain, back to sleet and freezing rain, and then back to snow. So it's one of those systems that's going to be sort of a 2-day thing coming in, but this could leave us with a couple days where there will be times where the roads could get slick, and that's a concern for us. We want you to plan ahead of time with this one, and that's why we're telling you about it now, so you and your family can stay safe. But you can see how this snow lifts in on Thursday. By Thursday evening, that freezing rain mixes in. Thursday night into Friday, we're talking 3, 4 a.m. This is going to be rain for a bit, and then the freezing rain and sleet come back for early Friday, and then Friday afternoon we're going to be back into snow. This does not look like giant snowfall accumulations, but it does look like it could come with some slick spots. Now, that rain is going to be turning on as we get towards about 3, 4 o'clock, so we have a few more hours with these warmer temperatures hanging out and dry weather. So if you want to sit on the back porch, maybe you could see another one of those meteors trying to pop up. 44 tonight, most of the night not bad. Rain towards daybreak. Tomorrow, that rain turns on and stays on. Temperatures do find their way back into the lower 60s. Wednesday again, early on, low 50s, falling through the day, and those colder temperatures are going to set us up for that freezing rain, sleet, and snow for Thursday and Friday, and then colder with a few snow showers for early next week.